Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Facebook Watch not working. So first solution is we need to update our Facebook. So for that, open your Play Store and search here Facebook. And if you see any update available here, then you'll need to download the update and now open your Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Facebook cache files and data. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management. Now tap on Facebook, tap on storage usage. You have to click on clear cache and tap on clear data. And after doing this process, open your Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to reinstall our Facebook. So you have to open your Play Store and search here Facebook and tap on uninstall. And after uninstall, you will need to reinstall your Facebook app and then go to your Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is open your Facebook app and tap on this three-line icon. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on profile settings. Scroll down. And here you'll find this shortcut bar. So you have to tap on that. And hidden shortcut, if you see here watch is hidden, then you will need to unhide this watch. So for that, tap on hidden and tap on auto, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.